ಡೈರಿ ಡೇ ಕೊಡಲ ತಿಳಿಪಾಗ ಈ ಪಂತೋಗ ನಿಕಲಿನ ಮಾತಿರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡರ ಮೋಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎದ್ದುಕೊಂಡೊಂದಲ್ಲ ತೆಲಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲ ಮೊಕಲೆಡ್ದು ಪೊರ್ಲ ಗಂಟೆದೊಂಜಿ ತೆಲಿಕದ ಚಾತುರ್ಪು ಮೂಡ್ದವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಿರಲ್ಲ ಬಂಜಾರ ತೆಲ್ತಾ ಈತ ನಮ್ಮ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕುಸಲ್ದ ಕುಸಿಲ್ ಎಂಚಾಡು ಕೇನ್ಗ ವಿಜಯಣ್ಣ ಇರಗೆಂಚಾಡು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ to this program and also to the kshetra. But posat jana
are Melvin D Almeida pandade engala konkani troupe da kodonji artist
arna mone tunege nonji comedy undu born comedy anchundu ara enkarna face expressions are very nice. It looks like a comedian. Very nice. ena lekkodu nikhil onji standard atane itte ee comedy program pannaga Telkada Kudala Nikila Pudara. You have set a standard. You know, Irla Nikhil Prashant and the team notige. Our standard what you have performed today. The jokes were very strong punches it now. Jor Chelke Barpina punches, and the script also was very nice. Very well done, and another good performance, and we're very happy.
Thank you.
And all the best. Thank you.
So Guruvana Iragenchan.
Outstanding performance.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Daibanaga prationjaitu punda the highlight was your performance. Actually nijad banpunda unduve script betakulu maldanna. I don't think they could have entertained more. Frankly banpunda jokes were used jokes actually pura ula posateji. Ambel punchlines pura expect maltonta. Okay, next unduve anda. But still it was entertaining. That's big, good, very good performance.
Thank you.
So Dr. Shivasharan Chetri Tadadan Pertek.
Nellu, like always, very good performance.
Thank you, sir.
And Melvin D Almeida, welcome you to this stage. Vijayana, ee mone Sadarananji 30 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೇಟ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಪ್ಪಗ ಲಂಚನೆ ಇತ್ತು ನಿತ್ಯ ಲಂಚನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. And Guruvane Pandileka, your presentation was perfect, above par. Your Nikulna performance, whole punch korodu, it was very good. And again, the Nikula music, apt music, proper places, you have done it very well. I think Sharath has done the music, right?
Wetson.
Sharath tojandulirolla.
Sharath next team da.
Okay. It was well done. Music was well done. Nellu, once again, like always, beautiful performance. One round of applause for Nellu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good to see such performance. Tuna kushi apundu, matergla kushi apundu. It's a very good one, Nellu. Once again, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Solmelo, itte Nikita Punja, Nikalegenchad.
Thank you, Niklek. Entertain Manti Nek. Bari shock the performance. Especially last dar. Irienche eat sapura please enkle palli the secret.
A full dieting out.
Enkul gym mata popa bokkala torolla. Irna eat sapura etine ek reason dade.
Avve samasya gym baravelli. Illade port.
Zero size apunige.
Thank you.
Rashima Alva, Iragenchad.
Overall performance bari like it in you remind me of Charlie Chaplin.
Thank you.
Osha malla onji malla paadirandanara Charlie Chaplin ee vedikite nempal buchitna abhinay malla onji
Thank you.
one information.
At actually slim ayara karana reason dada gottuna orige honeymoon ಗೆ ಹೋದ slim ಹೋಗದ.
Even the newcomer as na pudar gottiji Melvin bari like it then all three of your acting bari natural ittin, didn't felt like Nikhil act maltonittil Nikhil mood janana conversation, it was very natural. Thank you
so much.
Charishma Iragenchad makalla kusalda Charishma enchad.
Namaskar.
Very good performance, all of you all. And yet, Nikhil tu deng shock apu Nikhil aat yedde acting malpar pura klat. Very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Solmelo ಒಂದು ಇನಿತ್ತ ಡೈರಿ ಡೇ ಕೊಡಲ ತೆಲುಪುಗ ಕೊಡಲಾತೆ ತೆಲ್ಪರೆ ನನ್ನಲಾತೆ ಪುಗಾರ್ತದ ಲೋಕಮಾನಾದಿಗೆನ್ ಪಡೆಯಂಬೈದಿನ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಬರ್ರೆವಲ್ಲೇರು ಕಾಪುಗ ನನ್ನ ದುಂಬದ ಸಂಚಿಡು